underneath, make a little mustache, up, down again. And come back here, slide this bit of paint. Now we have to push this wave back by bringing our wave, turn like this, grab it, and turn our brush and aim off the side of the canvas over here. Slide it down like that and start to slide it back. Just like a clock, right? Now we got our eye of our wave. Hey, I like to talk about the dark separator. But the dark separator. Can you tell me who's saying smooth operator? There's a bunch of incorrect spellings already. And come up here and start slapping up into our color. Because you're trying to go up into that bit of water. Getting it all thick and gross and nasty. We'll come back, crest above the wave. Now we're gonna ride our shadows all the way down like a roller coaster. Making our S out of the white now. You see the white line? You guys see that? I'm gonna take that same brush, it's got all that dark color on it. Start up here in the top and just start mixing it. With the amount of pressure, we can either take all this white row down the whole canvas, or we can keep it nice and tight. And in here, just with the teeniest, tiniest, like literally 3 hairs and some air. Bob wasn't kidding when he said that. Smallest little things you can possibly do. One of my favorites already. I love these colors. Everyone's like, you paint the same thing over and over again. Wouldn't you, if it came out like that every time? This is our foam, but we're gonna just pull straight sideways and watch all the colors happen in here. Now, this is the most fun part. Are you ready to go surfing in the USA? All right. Watch this, we're gonna go back before we go up, right? Over here, we're going more to the side and more to the top. Come over here and line them up, match them up, and come back down. On the side of this guy, just pull up the other direction. Very dry. And then come back in here with our same little flicks, same angles. Now over here, same angles that we were going at before. Stay about a 1/4 inch beneath it. Don't touch the dang color. We're trying to maintain that little bit of 1/4 inch, right? I'm gonna show you, you gotta do both things, right? First, we're gonna take this, we're gonna pull it straight down. That dark separator in between there is our best friend. We're gonna pull straight down, a lot of pressure. Trying to get my easel dirty, right? This is what the beginners do. They go, okay, that looks like sand, I'm done. That looks like Aurora Borealis. That looks like it would cut my feet up if we went walking out on the beach. So let's take those vertical swipes, pull them horizontally. Look at the difference between these two. Oh, it's amazing, right? Totally amazing. Here's the kicker. Try to get as close as you can get to this bit of color by sliding it over without actually touching the two colors together. Don't lose all the darkness. Look at this, we're gonna slide it. It's gonna come in, it's coming in for the winner, and we're coming around the corner, boom. And we slid the paint, got it underneath our little bit of foam. That's what you want right there, that little bit of line. That helps sit the water up on top of the sand so it can flow back and forth, right?